Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Zoom meeting not responding on your iPhone. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're not being able to hold a meeting on Zoom or your meeting is not responding, then here are some fixes you could try out. The first thing to do is to make sure that Zoom has access to your camera on your iPhone. Open up your iPhone's settings and from the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Tap the camera icon from the options and make sure that you've enabled the button right next to Zoom. Once you do that, you'll be able to allow Zoom access to your camera on your iPhone. You can now go back and check for available update for Zoom application. Open up your App Store. In the search box, search for Zoom. Once you perform your search, make sure that the application has its updated version. If you see open, it means that you already have the updated version or the latest version of Zoom app installed on your iPhone. If you see an update button, tap on update in order to download the latest updates, and once you download the latest updates, since it comes up with bug fixes and performance improvement, you'll be able to fix your issue right away. Once you do that, go back to your Zoom app and try connecting to a meeting and see if that fixes the issue. You can also enable some of the settings from your Zoom application and get your application working right away. From the main homepage of Zoom, tap on the More button at the bottom right, and from the More menu, tap on the Meetings option under Settings. Tap on Auto Connect Audio and make sure that you've selected Wi-Fi or cellular data and tap Done. Also, make sure that the toggle button right next to Mute My Microphone is turned off. Once you make this change, you can check if that fixes the issue. If the problem still persists, simply go ahead and uninstall Zoom application from your iPhone. Press hold the application and tap on Remove in the pop-up. Tap Delete app in the pop-up one more time. And once you delete or uninstall the application from your iPhone, go back to your App Store and re-download the application back again. Once you are done with the download, tap on Open, log into your Zoom account and join into a meeting to see if that fixes your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try whenever you are not being able to use your Zoom meeting like you were supposed to, or your Zoom meeting is not responding on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.